So we're at the Monkey Park, which is apparently the smallest zoo. It looks very cute. We've seen a crocodile. You see the crocodile back there? And there's guinea pigs over here. I'm not really a massive fan of the guinea pig. They're a bit squawky, big hamstery type things. We'll have a look around. Let's go. What happened with the monkey?
I handed it and he went with one hand, ran away, hiding it in the corner.
Is that good?
Like covering it with his hand.
Did you see that monkey before? Let's have a little look at it. Well, many blokes would like to do that, wouldn't they? Well, not look at that monkey.